So now I'm going to run the batch automation on the rest of these frames to apply the master palette to every single frame of this animation. So go to File, Automate, Batch, King, Master Palette, Folder, choose a folder with the final frames, click OK, and let it do its thing. It looks like that's finished. So now I have all my PCX frames here. List, I'm gonna say sort by, more, type, sort by type. I can delete all these PSD files. So these are my final frames. Okay. Make sure a copy of the master palette is in use. Yeah, that's right. Is in use for the moving character and load the frames into Fighter Factory. So the master palette has to be in the folder for the moving character you're going to be adding these files to. So I'm going to use my one of my characters, Scorpion, to test this out. Let's say I'm gonna make Scorpion into Liu Kang by changing the sprites. You know, replace all the sprites. I have the basic moves already working, and I just have to tweak a few things. So, go in here. I need to find my Scorpion. My characters, Scorpion, and I'll copy this, paste. I'll rename this. Bloody Liu Kang. Okay. I have to change the names for anything that says Scorpion on it. So, just going down the list, checking here. Scorpion Pal 1. I'll save this text over here. Okay. Go to where my master palette is. Pal 1. Copy that. Put it in here. And I'm going to rename it to Bloody Liu Kang. Or, okay, Liu Kang underscore Pal underscore 1. And I can delete all these other palettes from Scorpion because I don't need them. anything that says Scorpion from the old files, I need to change it to Liu Kang. And open my definition file, .def. Anything that says Scorpion, I need to change it to Liu Kang. Liu Kang, Liu Kang. I don't have any more palettes, so I can delete these. And I'll say all these are using palette 1, because I only have one palette right now. And okay. I think I didn't miss anything. So click File, Save. Now I have to open this character in Fighter Factory. So close whatever I had in there. File, open. Navigate to where that character is. My characters. Bloody Liu Kang. Bloody Liu Kang.def. Open. Oh, I forgot. Fighter Factory has a problem with the intros and endings for some reason. I have to disable these. Just comment this out. The intro and the ending works, but if I have these on here, when I open the file in Fighter Factory, it won't let me open the character. I don't know why that is. So I'll just save that, and I'll try to open the character again. Now it works. So this is Scorpion, and he has Liu Kang's palette, so of course all his colors are messed up. So I need to look for the fight stance, which is right here, and I need to replace those frames with those of Liu Kang. So I'm gonna say add sprite. In my Liu Kang folder, the stand folder, my final folder. I'll try to add them all at once. Hopefully it won't come out backwards. So open, group 0, image 0, shared palette yes, bottom center, apply. So there you go. Okay. So it looks like it needs to be a little lower. I'll use this as a guide. So their feet match. That looks good there. So what's the coordinates on this? 38, 126. I'll just delete all these Liu Kang frames again and import it at 38, 126. and clicking the minus key, which is delete, and then clicking enter, which is like pressing yes. Delete yes, delete yes. Oops, delete, no, okay. So now I'm back to beginning. Go to add sprite, select all the frames with control. Click the first one, hold shift, click the last one. Release shift, click open. Group number 0, because this is where I want them to stand. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, wherever you want these sprites to be. So in this case, we're adding to the stance, so that's group 0. First frame will be image 0, and they count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that automatically. I want the shared palette for these regular sprites. If you're using special effects, you would have shared palette turned off, and those sprites would be at the end of the .sff file, so they don't mix with the regular sprites using shared palette. So the coordinates I wanted for this was 38 on X and 126 on Y. I wanted it. Okay, click OK, and now these should be fine. So okay, so that's good. Now I can delete Scorpion's stance frames. Just go to where all these stance frames for Scorpion are and click delete the minus key. Click OK or yes. Minus enter, minus enter, minus enter. Okay, so now click the save button here. Save. Go to the animations editor. This edits the .air file. Action 0 is a default stance animation, so there's a new animation. And how many frames did he have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15. So 8. I'm gonna delete these and redo that animation. I'll just leave one of them, or I'll put this as -1, so it's a blank frame. And I'll delete the Liu Kang. So now I only have a blank frame on here with the collision box still on there. Delete. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so here I have the stance frames. So I can say, hold shift again, click one, hold shift, click the last one, and right click here and add to air. So now they're all in there. So now I can delete this blank frame. And I have to set my time here for each frame. I'll set it to 4 ticks. And click this double 8 here, and it'll add that time to the rest of the frames after this one you're looking at. So I'll click play. And I'll save this, and I'll load the character in Mugen and see what that looks like.